How to cut video by InShot application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut video using InShot application. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. Simply open up your InShot application. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the video option and then choose the video that you wish to crop. Now I'll just select a quick video right here. Now once you select the video, here what you want to do is you want to simply tap on next, and you can see the video has been loaded up. Now I'll just remove this picture here real quick. I didn't want to add it, but you can see the video. Now what you want to do in order to cut a video is, if you wish to cut it from the sides, if you just wish to trim the video, you can either tap on it and then you can see from the side, tap on it and you can drag it to cut the video. However, if you wish to cut it from the sides, if you wish to remove the part in the mid, what you can do is you want to simply tap on pre-cut option, and there you can see cut option, and under cut you can see your cut option. You want to select the amount that you want to cut, and then you want to simply tap on tick mark and your video will be cut. Now I won't be able to show you right here because my screen recording will be stopped, but that is how you can cut a video, and that is where you'll get the cut option. So this way you can cut video by InShot application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.